Sa halip na magpatutsada, nagbigay pugay si Timothy Bradley Jr. kay Manny Pacquiao sa huling press conference bago ang ikatlo nilang paghaharap sa ring. Pinasalamatan naman ni Pacman si Bradley, pero kahit hindi nagangasa ng dalawang boksingero, asahan pa rin daw ang umatikabong bakbakan sa linggo. May report si Mav Gonzalez.
Punong-puno ng international media ang final press conference.
It's a great treat to be promoting not only two great fighters, but two great professionals, exemplary people.
Unang nagsalita ang mga trainer ng dalawang boksingero.
We've had a great training camp in the Philippines, and we finished up here in LA. I mean, he's in great shape, and he's saying this might be his last fight, and he's looking really good.
We know exactly what we're facing, and that I happen to have the privilege of training a fighter who has also been born with great God-given abilities.
Naging emosyonal si Bradley nang isa-isang pasalamatan ang kanyang pamilya at team. Ngunit ang di inaasahan ay ang pagbibigay pugay niya kay Pacquiao.
Because he's shown over and over that he's for the people and he's by the people and that he's a man of his word. And he's always shown that. Character, integrity.
Pero nilino ni Bradley na anumang respeto ang mayroon siya para sa 8th Division World Champ, magiging matindi pa rin ang laban niya sa linggo.
If I'm gonna beat Manny Pacquiao, it's now. This is my only opportunity, my last opportunity, and I am ready for it.
Si Pacman naman, pinasalamatan si Bradley.
This is good fight because promoting the fight with no argument, no trouble, so like hating bad words each other. We save that for Saturday so that you will be happy. You know, I know Bradley trained hard and I trained hard, and
Kahit hindi ito title fight, may ibibigay na belt ang World Boxing Organization sa mananalo. Pero bago pa man sila pumasok sa ring, dikdika na ang laban sa betting odds.
We have the very closest odds we've had for these two fighters. Mr. Pacquiao is minus 230, meaning you have to bet $230 to 100, and Mr. Bradley is plus 180. So for every 100 you bet, you get back 180.
Samantala, tuloy pa rin ang jogging at gym training ni Pacquiao. Sinuot na rin niya sa training ang boxing shoes na gagamitin niya sa laban.
Mav Gonzalez, GMA News.